concept behind Aqidat Ke Rang was to look at mostly those cultural practices which are kind of showing this interaction of different cultures, whether it's Hindu, Muslim, or South, East, and all that. So we decided that some of these documentary films and documentation that we have done, it should be disseminated more. It should be shown more often.
When are we looking at cultures other than what we perceive as our own culture, from whichever community we may come from, we generally tend to talk about these discourses and these histories in terms of alternative discourses, subaltern discourses, discourse of the marginalized, discourse from the fringes. The IGNC really looks at these discourses in terms of a relational connection that it has. And we are really more looking at connected histories rather than alternative histories.
अगर इजाज़त हो तो मैं शुरू करूं।
जी बिस्मिल्लाह।
ग्रामर एक ज़बान या एक भाषा का निर्माण करता है। साइंटिफिकली, नेचुरली इट्स एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग, क्योंकि पहले ज़बान बनती है और बाद में हम ग्रामर तमाम चीज़ें कहते हैं। हमारे बच्चे, हमारे रिक्शे वाले, साइकिल वाले सब अच्छी ज़बान बोलते हैं, बट दे डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली ग्रामेटिकली फिक्स व्हाट इट।
अगर आपने देखा होगा पूरी फिल्म के दौरान वो उनके वालिद साहब को रेफर कर रहे थे, यानी अगर प्रोफेसर सक्सेना वहाँ नहीं होते तो जो शाइस्ता अंदाज में उन्होंने एक दो बार झड़का, शायद वो नहीं कहते।
Asymmetrical social structure, it's also a site of tremendous inequality, and you have sort of reference to the Rais there, but there's obviously a world of caste.
Whatever I have observed so far in India, especially North India, I've seen that these roles are very different in different places. But Bilgram is one very unique place where I found the division of these roles rather grey, kind of not very clear cut.
I think there is an annual cycle in Kasbahs. There is some mention about Basant. What would also be interesting from the syncretic point of view is to see the participation of the Muslim community in the Hindu festivals.
Definitely.
The pace, the flow, and the commentary is kept very, very to the point and absolutely simple, without making it into a grand thing out of whatever which was being shown.
I'm very happy to see this film for two reasons. Which one is, of course, the larger reason, which is to do with the fact that I find it a very warm film, very warm.
मतलब मय्यर घराने की हिस्ट्री ये बताती है कि उनके नाम और रिश्तेदारी देखिए। अन्नपूर्णा ये अलाउद्दीन खान साहब की बेटी थी और ये अपने रविशंकर की बीवी। तो ये सारी परंपरा तब पैदा होती है तब चूंकि कोई एक ऐसी चीज है जो तमाम तरह के डिफरेंसेस को धीरे धीरे खत्म करती चली जाती है। दैट इज द म्यूजिक एंड दैट इज द कल्चर एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स नाउ।
As I said in the film, I read about Bhagi and Sugra in a newspaper article by Nirupama Dutt in Tribune, and I was very fascinated at the Indian Express. And I was in between projects, and I just landed up in Patiala without knowing a soul.
Then why isn't a woman portrayed? Now obviously that's your side, that's your perspective that you showed, and when I say why isn't there a woman there, I am thinking that women should be there. But the reality may be that there are no women there, and that's what he's trying to say. But you want to put a woman into the picture where there was no woman there. So I think that's an interesting comment on our own perceptions of our so-called modernization.